Good evening, friends, parents, and SLC. My name is Kayza, and I'm from 7th grade. And from this trip, I am the youngest, so maybe it's a little bit complicated for me to learn about the trip and so on. And this is the first day. We went to the Melbourne church, and this aesthetic wide alley. Some cool street art. Nice. And this is shrine place that is very big and very ancient looking. Sorry if it's a little bit tilted. So this is so you can see the sky is very blue and it's very beautiful. And this aesthetic looking beautiful art of building and a boat. Okay, this is the Sydney harbor. It has a lot of flags for this one. Cute koala! Oh, UTS. And this UTS basketball court is very wide, cool, and you can play badminton inside the court. And this was in the next to the opera house. I just took the picture beside the opera house. And then this is the bridge of Sydney. This is the opera house. Maybe it's a little bit unclear for the picture, so sorry. Another picture of the bridge and sky in the evening in Sydney Opera House. A video. Sorry if it's a little bit loud. And the Sydney Bridge and fireworks. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.